Let's take a look at two of our note tools here at the top. You have a pen tool for drawing freeform notes or making any markups that way, and we also have a text tool for making any text notes to a plan or a design. Let's look at the pen tool first. To activate the pen tool, simply click it. You'll notice we have these color choices for you to choose from, along with 3 different line weight options for you to draw and write. I'm going to do this red just to demonstrate how it works. So I'm clicking, holding down my click, and I can write and draw just like any sort of freeform drawing tool that you're used to. One other nice option about our pen tool is we have this fill option. This is helpful in scenarios where maybe we have a photo like this that we want to mark up quickly, maybe communicate some ideas to a customer. So I can activate the pen tool. Let's do this green color, and I'm going to click this fill icon. And now what you'll have here is it automatically fills behind you, and you can create shapes. So I can draw shrubs or anything, any kind of markups on the plan. You could even use this as a highlighter if you wanted to cross out things on your commercial plan where you're doing a takeoff. Now let's take a look at the text tool. To activate the text tool, simply click the T, and now the text tool is active. I can choose my color like before. I can choose different size options, the same as well. We have these 3, and I can toggle between a filled background and a non-filled background. So see, I can make a text note here. We'll call this a shrub. I'll click on the plan, add that text to it. I can drag it, making this arrow appear, and I can point to anything I want to. Now if I want to edit this text, simply double click it again to reactivate the text tool. So I could change the size, and I could give it this filled background. And you can see it edits that text with the changes that I made.